Mr. Michael, social studies teacher. Click the link to learn how to use these topic summary videos. World History 1 Topic 3.2 The Origins of Hinduism and Buddhism. Hinduism. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world, with its roots in ancient India. It is a polytheistic religion, meaning that Hindus worship multiple deities. However, there is also a belief in one supreme being, known as Brahman. Hindus believe that everything in the universe is connected and that each person's soul, Atman, is part of the universal soul, Brahman. The ultimate goal in Hinduism is to achieve moksha, or liberation from the cycle of reincarnation, known as samsara. The attainment of moksha is believed to release one from the effects of karma, the accumulated results of one's actions in life that can affect future rebirths. In addition, the concept of dharma, which refers to one's duty or responsibility according to their social status, is also central to Hinduism. Ahimsa, the principle of non-violence, is also an important part of Hindu tradition. The caste system is an important part of Hinduism and has shaped Indian society for thousands of years. The caste system divides people into different social classes based on their occupation, family background, and social status. At the top of the caste system are the Brahmins, who are traditionally priests and scholars. At the bottom are the Dalits, or untouchables, who perform the most menial and dirty jobs. The caste system has been a source of controversy and discrimination, but it remains an important part of Hindu tradition. Buddhism. Buddhism was founded in India in the 6th century BCE by Siddhartha Gautama. He was born into a wealthy family but became disillusioned with the world and its suffering. After years of wandering and meditation, he achieved enlightenment under a Bodhi tree and became known as the Buddha, or Enlightened One. The central beliefs of Buddhism are based on the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths are: 1. The truth of suffering, dukkha. 2. The truth of the cause of suffering, craving. 3. The truth of the end of suffering, nirvana. And 4. The truth of the path to the end of suffering, the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path consists of right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Buddhism teaches that individuals can escape the cycle of reincarnation by following the Eightfold Path and achieving nirvana, which is a state of enlightenment and freedom from suffering. Unlike Hinduism, Buddhism does not believe in a supreme being or soul. Instead, it emphasizes the importance of individual responsibility and mindfulness. As a result, the idea of karma is reinterpreted in Buddhism to refer to the consequences of one's actions in the current life, rather than in future rebirths. As Buddhism spread beyond India, it adapted to different cultures and developed into various sects. Mahayana Buddhism, for example, became popular in China and emphasizes the importance of compassion and helping others. While Theravada Buddhism, which is still practiced in Sri Lanka and Southeast Asia, focuses on the individual's path to enlightenment. These different sects have different interpretations of key Buddhist concepts and different practices, but all are united by the basic principles of the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. Review questions. Use the information from this video to answer the following questions. What is the concept of dharma? How has the caste system in India evolved over time? In what aspect does Buddhism contrast with Hinduism? What factor contributed to the popularity of Mahayana Buddhism in certain regions? How does reincarnation contribute to attaining moksha in Hinduism? What is the origin of Hinduism? How are Hindu doctrines connected to the caste system prevalent in India? What do Buddhists strive to achieve as their ultimate goal? What contributed to the diffusion of Buddhism beyond India? Thanks for watching. Good luck on your assessment.